black man, indigenous man, aboriginal man. Why you be hating on the next man? Why you mean grilling, ice grilling? Don't you understand that your greatest competition is yourself? You just gotta grind harder. You gotta grind smarter. You ain't grinding hard enough. You in a comfort zone. You too comfortable. You're not hungry enough. Your lower self whispering in your ear, telling you it's all right to chill right here. Maybe with a brew, maybe with some weed, maybe with some beer, maybe with your deer. You ain't challenging your fears. But you mad at me because I'm grinding? I think's not. You better check yourself and put some respect on my check. Put respect on my name and put some respect on the game. And that goes for every black man in America and all over the world. You just don't know who you are because you didn't listen to the teachings of Malcolm X, Elijah Muhammad, sun, moon, and star, man, woman, and child. So you running wild. You doing everything but taking care of your woman, taking care of your child. Respect, protect, and elevate the black aboriginal woman. Stop the hate. Take care of your seeds. Water them, cultivate them. Be the sun that shines on your seeds so your seeds could grow. Because at the end of the day, it's about legacy. You can't take money with you when you die. Get rich or die trying. But when you get rich, let your children inherit it. You understand? So stop hating on the next man. Take a look in the mirror at yourself. Make that change. It's all about transformation and resurrection because we all been down. We all been hurt. We all been shocked. We all been surprised. Our hearts all been broken. We all been smacked in the face. We all been backstabbed. So now it's time to resurrect. For this is the resurrection of the mental and the spiritually dead. Alright? Kamal Supreme in the building. You my brother. Let's act like brothers, man. Let's be brothers again. At least give a brother a nod and a smile or a pound or a what's up or a peace. Alright? Because if not, the ops is coming. The ops been coming. We not the ops. We about to be obliterated. We about to be disintegrated. We about to be exterminated. Not on reservations because the prisons is extermination or concentration camps. Don't you see that? And they dividing and conquering us by religion, by fraternity, by sorority, by gangs. And soon we gonna kill each other off, man. We doing a better job than the Klan and the white supremacists. Come on, bruh. Wake up, man. You don't gotta love me, but respect me. I don't gotta love you, but I respect you. I respect your woman and respect your children. And let's build a family. Let's build a nation. Or else it's gonna be extermination. All right? Peace. Kamal Supreme. One.